Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Merry pre-Christmas, friends. Santa here, reporting from Santa's Workshop TV. If you're wondering what stores are open on Christmas Eve and which stay open late, you come to the right place. Let's start with groceries and essentials, because no one wants to run out of eggnog. Kroger and Walmart close around 6 p.m. Publix and Fresh Market go until about 7 p.m. Trader Joe's closes earlier, around 5 p.m. And Whole Foods, usually 7 p.m. Need last-minute gifts? Don't worry, Target stays open until 8 p.m. Macy's, Kohl's, and Best Buy usually till 7 p.m. TJ Maxx, Marshall's, and Home Goods wrap up at 6 p.m. Costco is a bit earlier, about 5 p.m. For the night owls, Dollar General often stays open until 10 p.m. And don't forget convenience heroes like Walgreens, CVS, 7-Eleven, and Circle K. Some are even open 24 hours. And for shoppers in Atlanta, malls like Lenox Square, Phipps Plaza, Mall of Georgia, and Perimeter Mall are usually open until 6 p.m. on Christmas Eve. Just enough time to grab that last-minute stocking stuffer. So here's the magic. Groceries close around 5 to 7 p.m. Big box stores stretch to 7 or 8 p.m. Late-night spots like Dollar General and pharmacies keep the lights on. From all of us here at Santa's Workshop TV, Merry Christmas Eve shopping. And don't forget the cookies and milk when I visit tonight. Ho ho ho! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.